But come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking hair, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear.
Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. Today is Monday. It is August 5th and it is 9:51 a.m. and we're gonna be doing a little monthly reset for the month of August. My space is honestly a mess and it's been a mess for way too long and I don't like it. So we're gonna clean up my whole space today. Let me give you guys a quick overview of my room. This is the current state of my room. I just got out of bed so I didn't make it. I have a pile of laundry that was washed but never folded. My little table beside my bed, way too many things on there. Dresser, way too many random things that don't belong. And then as for my bathroom, I just have a bunch of stuff on my desk that needs to be cleared off. Need to do laundry. This is my, I've worn it once but not ready to go in the laundry but not clean enough to go back in the closet chair. So that needs to be cleared off. And there's just like things all over all my spaces that are not supposed to be there. And I'm not liking it. So today we're cleaning. We're gonna try to be productive. I don't want to clean all day either. It's like 10. I would love to be finished cleaning by like 12 o'clock, 1 the latest. But hopefully it doesn't take that long. But we're just gonna get straight into it. And we're gonna start with putting a load of laundry in just so that could get started while we start the actual cleaning process. Okay, the laundry is all organized for now. This load all has to be folded / hung up. These are the next 2 loads to go in the machine. And we have the sheets in the machine right now. So I think now we're gonna clean up all the things all over my tables because like I don't like stuff. Like just there's a bunch of like stuff. Also, I have a TV now. It's just a little guy, but I do have a TV. And I got it and I've used it like twice and I've had it for almost a month now. But anyways, let's start clearing off this dresser and then we'll get to that little table over there.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a great chick, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough for petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love, and still love, and it's still love, it's still love, still love, still love it.
Every sky can't be blue. It's hard to see it when you're walking in the gray. So many flights looking out of time too. So many things that I never got to. Good days, bad days, red lights, fast lanes. Would you never change? Would you be the same? Just tell me one thing that's true, and I ain't up. You hold me down. Hold me down. Hold me down. Say you hold me down. Hold me down. Hold me down.
The bathroom is finished. All that's left to do is the floors. So I'm gonna vacuum the floors in here real quick, just so that I could be done with one space. I also just wiped off my mirror, but I didn't film that, but that is now clean. But we're gonna have to put a pause on this cleaning right now, and I'm gonna have to come back to this. But before I put a pause on it, I want to, oh shoot, I need to change my load. I'm not gonna get to put my sheets back on my bed before I stop. Anyways, before we pause, I want to vacuum my bathroom, vacuum my room, take down all my garbage. So let's do that. Bathroom is officially finished. Now the only thing left to do is finish up with all my laundry, put my sheets back on my bed whenever they're finished in the dryer, and bring down all the garbage, which I'm about to do after I go ahead in the shower. But I'm about to go ahead in the shower, so I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm about to make my bed. It's almost midnight and I should be sleeping already because I have work tomorrow. Let's hurry up and do this. Oh my goodness, I forgot this is what my hair looks like right now. Anyways, I'm about to head to bed now. It's late and we'll pick back up where we left off tomorrow evening. So good night. It's a new day and we're finishing up the cleaning. I just got home from work, but first order of business is getting rid of this recycling and these water bottles. So let's get to it. So this is the current state of my room. It's looking good, it's looking fresh, and I feel so much lighter in here already. Since it's the beginning of the month, I want to be on it with my content, so we're going to plan out some videos that I plan to film for the month. I have my planner, I have my laptop, and I have my phone because I do have a lot of my video ideas already saved on my phone in my notes. And we also have a cookie because my little sister is starting her own cookie business. And this is one of her cookies. This is her salted caramel flavor, which is my favorite. It's so good. So we're gonna treat ourselves for cleaning our space with a cookie. I love that I have this little matching set for my laptop, phone, and my planner. It just feels so cute and put together whenever I have it on. Like, yeah, everything matches. But my planner and my cases are all from this brand called Burga. I did a collab with them over on my TikTok. But yeah, they're great. I wish I still had a code. I'm not working with them right now, so I don't have a code to give you guys because their prices are a little high. But yeah, anyways, let's get to work. Let's finish off our evening with a good shower in our freshly cleaned bathroom.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even love.
Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed resetting for the month with me. I feel so fresh, so light, like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders just because my space is clean and I'm clean. You know that feeling where you just ready to like cuddle up in bed and just like put on your favorite show? Oh, I'm so excited. I wish I had some grapes, some crunchy grapes right now. But anyways, we're gonna edit before we go to bed, edit this video that we're watching right now. Enjoy my little fireplace vibes, but this camera battery is flashing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next Friday with another new video. Bye!